Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into one of the most surprising and exciting creations from Ferrari, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026. Ferrari is a name that has always been linked with supercars, racing heritage, and cutting-edge Italian design. But the introduction of a luxury motorhome concept for 2026 shows how the brand is expanding into new horizons while keeping its DNA of performance, style, and exclusivity intact. This is not just another motorhome. It is a rolling palace infused with Ferrari engineering, aesthetics, and luxury that makes it stand out from anything else in the market. The first impression of the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is nothing short of breathtaking. The exterior is a bold statement that combines the proportions of a luxury touring motorhome with sharp design cues directly inspired by Ferrari's supercars. It carries an aerodynamic silhouette, sleek flowing lines, and a stance that feels aggressive yet elegant. The bodywork is sculpted with Ferrari's signature design language, clean curves, muscular haunches, and details that give it a sense of speed even when it is standing still. The front fascia carries slim LED matrix headlights shaped similarly to Ferrari's latest hypercars, giving it a distinctive and instantly recognizable look on the road. A massive panoramic windshield provides commanding visibility while enhancing the futuristic appeal. The dark chrome grille and subtle carbon fiber accents blend utility with high-performance styling, and the sides are equipped with retractable steps and hidden storage, executed with Ferrari's obsession for detail. Large alloy wheels, painted in Ferrari's signature colors, make the motorhome look sporty and dominant, and the rear design integrates sculpted tail lamps with a diffuser-style lower bumper, reminding you that this is not a traditional RV, but a Ferrari experience on wheels. Stepping inside the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is like entering a luxury penthouse designed by Italian artisans. Ferrari has taken cues from its racing interiors, but elevated them into a new dimension of comfort and sophistication. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, with precision stitching and hand-finished details that echo Ferrari's craftsmanship. The front driving cockpit feels like you are inside a Ferrari GT with a digital driver's display, multi-function steering wheel inspired by the Ferrari Roma, and advanced AI-driven navigation and control systems. The seating is sculpted for maximum comfort during long journeys, but still carries the sporty aesthetic Ferrari is known for. Moving further inside, the living area is designed with an open and airy layout. It includes luxurious reclining lounge, chairs, a foldable dining table, ambient LED lighting that changes moods, and a panoramic roof window that brings natural light into the space. The kitchen is fitted with state-of-the-art appliances, including induction cooking, hidden refrigerators, and premium Italian cabinetry, making it not only stylish but functional for long-distance touring. The sleeping quarters are no less than a boutique hotel suite, with a queen-size bed draped in fine linens, an integrated entertainment system, and ample storage spaces. Even the bathroom feels extravagant, featuring marble-style surfaces, rainfall, showers, and Ferrari red accents that tie back to the brand's identity. Every inch of the interior reflects Ferrari's mastery of blending performance with elegance. When it comes to performance, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is unlike anything in its category. Ferrari has engineered this motorhome with a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering a combined output of over 950 horsepower. Despite its size, the motorhome accelerates with the kind of authority you would expect from Ferrari, and it is capable of reaching impressive highway speeds while maintaining stability and control. The hybrid system also ensures efficiency, providing extended range for long journeys without compromising on performance. Ferrari's active suspension system has been adapted to handle the weight and dynamics of the motorhome, ensuring a smooth ride whether you are cruising highways or navigating winding roads. Advanced braking systems, adaptive aerodynamics, and an intelligent all-wheel drive setup ensure safety and performance in all conditions. The driving experience is further enhanced with Ferrari's latest technology package. The motorhome comes equipped with an advanced driver assistance suite, including autonomous cruise control, lane centering, collision avoidance, and AI-assisted parking, making it surprisingly easy to handle for its size. A full smart connectivity suite is integrated, with large OLED screens for infotainment, voice-activated controls, and seamless integration with mobile devices. It feels futuristic, practical, and above all, purely Ferrari. Now let's talk about the price. As you would expect, exclusivity and Ferrari craftsmanship come at a premium. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is positioned as a limited production masterpiece,